This technical guide tells you efficient ways to restore backup to new iPhone. Specifically, you can fetch your backup for your new iPhone with iCloud, Google One, and iTunes. Next, we shall explain the methods in detail below. Part 1. Restore backup to new iPhone via iCloud. If you have an iCloud backup available and want to restore your iPhone from iCloud, try to make it from your iPhone settings directly. Part 2. Restore backups to new iPhone from iCloud. Assuming you're to restore backups other than WhatsApp attachments, SMS, messages, voice memos, photo streams, etc. Try to access and download your iPhone backup from the iCloud web. Part 3. Restore backup to new iPhone with Google One. Did you save a backup of your iPhone on Google One? Well, this service helps maintain backups for iPhone contacts, photos, videos, calendars, etc. on Google service. Part 4. Restore new iPhone from previous backup on computer. iTunes retired on macOS Catalina and above, replacing itself with Finder. So, when you have the most relevant backup of your iPhone using iTunes or Finder, try this tool. Option 1. Restore iPhone from old backup on Mac via Finder. Option 2. Recover iPhone from backup on computer via iTunes. Part 5. Selectively restore iPhone from backup without resetting. Mobican Doctor for iOS is your best bet. As the most reliable utility for iOS data recovery, it applies itself to restoring data from an iPhone directly or from an iTunes backup in a flexible manner. Pick the Recover from iTunes Backup File section from the left menu. Then, you'll see all iTunes backups on this computer. Choose an iTunes backup file of the iPhone and press Start Scan. To perform a thorough scan on the backup, select the data categories you want and click Start Scan. After scanning, you can preview and choose the files you'd like to restore. Finally, press Recover to Computer to put them on your computer.